chasing him. And every time you get him, Brett. Drop it. Get him, Jesse. Come on. Run like you just learned.
Get him, Cram. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Courtney, get him. Like, chase after him hard.
But you need to do it, and I need to videotape it.
All right, here.
Get the puppy.
I'm gonna get him. Go.
Get the puppy. Get the puppy. No, Brett's gonna do it.
Watch. Get off of me.
You're so stupid, Brett. Wow, Brett. Stop.
He's getting tired now.
No, he's not. Leave him alone. Brett, you can't even outrun a little dog?